Okay. Right.
Right. While Mr. Blinder was away, I've opened. Now, please do not do this at home if you have children on your own, because you could cut your fingers. I've opened the cans. I've got a saucepan out the cupboard. And tipped. This is where the like our chef creativity comes into it. We've mixed the two together. Beef and veg, chicken and veg. I've turned the cooker on. I've added plenty of pepper, but that's up to you how much pepper you add. You might want to put a bit of salt in. I ain't too much into salt. Can't say that Mr. Blinder is either, hence not much salt or pepper. I'm stirring it because what I did, I left it while I was messing around with a couple of things, and I'd got the cooker on full pelt. I'm trapped. And when I turned back, it just started bubbling and spitting everywhere, so I had to take it off and stir it, turn the cooker down, and now I'm just giving it, it's warming up nice, stirring it with a spoon. You can use a fork or a knife, any kitchen utensil, but again, children, don't touch the sides. It's hot. If you touch here, fucking hell!
That's what
Burns. Hang on. That's your tap! Oh, Jesus, mate. Right. Yo. So, don't interfere. Too many chefs spoil the broth.
Yeah, too many people in the kitchen. Not good neither.
Just so anyway. Bear with me. We're nearly done. That's the other good thing as well. If you'd sent your dad down to McDonald's, you'd be eating this and probably nearly finished it by the time he got back.
No, you wouldn't, because you can't fucking get it at McDonald's.
Well, I mean, by the time he got back with... So, Mr. Blinder, fucking up. I'm going to fucking sack you, I've told you. Right, just shut up, just a moment.
Again?
Well, you keep begging for your job back. What do you want me to do? I have got a heart. So,
Have you?
I'm going to get a couple of bowls. Mr. Blinder's small bowl. Mr. Peaky's large bowl. I think that's about done now. I'm going to turn the cooker off. Now, even though it's off, this red light, come here Mr. Blinder, see this red light? Okay, piss off. That shows you that even though it's off, it's still hot. So well, you can probably see, I ain't going to touch that, not in a fucking million years. I'll touch that one and that one, but if you touch this one,
That's what happened.
But when that light goes off, it's all cool back now. Little stir. Sort out Mr. Blinder, his portion. See what I'm having? Plenty of meat.
See how he treats me, people.
You get fucking paid and him getting fed. I don't know, you know. You'll be on a roof over your head next.
Well, it's sleeping in the fucking cupboard.
Oi! Stop! You're getting too big for your boots now. No, please. You're not, you know, you're supposed to be in the background. You know, you're the cameraman. Then shut the fuck up. I might even give you a bit more of mine back, if you behave. This, while this is like this, get it under the chap. The hot chap. You can, and then, you can leave it so, or... That's from when I washed washed my chocolate bar last night before, so I didn't get COVID virus. I'm going to bin that. I don't know how that ended up in the sink. Oh, no, Mr. Blinder, put them in the bin, please. I could, if I could be asked, I could wipe these bits off here, this now, and put it to dry. But I'm going to leave that for Mr. Blinder to watch later. There's my spoon. Where have I put the other spoon?
Don't worry about it, just piss off.
Anyway, where, I don't know where to the moment, but amongst the ingredients that Mr. Blinder collected from the shop is a loaf of bread. Is it? Oh, it's here. Snuck in me that one. And you know this Robert's bread, it's the dog's danglies. You know what? You buy normal bread, couple of days, starts going hard.
No, I didn't. Not my fucking
You can leave this after a week, you know, but it's still soft. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, there is a nice, easily prepared meal while we're stuck in on this lockdown. Cheap as fuck. 2 people, 2 quid. Three quid if you ate the whole loaf.
What's I'm going to do?
Well, let's say 2.5 quid. And that'll last us till tomorrow. Thank you. And very shortly there will be a Mr. Peaky poem. So I'll see you soon. Adios amigos. And just for once, I'll let Mr. Blinder say goodbye to you because he did help. Mr. Blinder, would you like to say goodbye to the viewers?
Au revoir.